Hello everyone! Good evening! Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. This place, Impulse Billiard Center at Dubai Investment Park, Jebel Ali, UAE. Relax and enjoy the game. Guys, race to 3. This game, 8 balls, Yorme 23 versus Don Marmol. Shout out to my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Take care always, stay safe, stay healthy. Hello to all my friends. Emirati, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Morocco, Tunisia, Egyptian, Chinese, Philippines.
Mama Lolo.
Take care always. Enjoy your life and relax.
Yun, buti na lang.
Best regards to all Transguard. Marhaba. Di Nata. Airport stop. Emirates Airline. Emirates Catering. Stay safe.
1-0.
Stay healthy always. Enjoy life and take care. Shout out to all Dubai duty free. Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, Ship D, and to all HR department. Take care always. And God bless. Hello to Boss Edwin, Sir Philip, Sir Chris, Sir Mike Balangge. Stay pretty boy, stay healthy always.
Dinabit. Nakantete niya, no? Pag sinablay mo yan, Tay ka, baba ka. Zero to. Baka hulog na. 2-0. Yorme wins.
Regards to Electronics, Concourse A, Shipsy, Ron Keremit, Danny, Mike Sanchez, Sheila, Noman, Amin, Serjan. Take care always. Be happy. Relax. Stay pretty boy.
Yun ang alam tingnan meron. Yo! Alugin. Alugin yung gitna niya. Ano naman ngayon pag sumablay ka dyan? Yan. Tago lang, para swerte ka. Wala, zero ka talaga. Ay! Mama! Wala, zero talaga, 0-3. Yorme wins.
Next game. Yorme versus Edmar. 8 balls. Race to 3.
Boss Marlon.
Boss Marlon, shoutout sa'yo dyan.
Hello to all DG boys. Uncle Pitts, Mike Sanchez, Katropang Miguel, Loverboy, Billy, Edgar Brescia, Julius ng Creation, Joel Dulo, Bullet, Marlon Cas Opis, Ernie Gucci, Kuya Raymond, Christopher Pescador, Ron Chua, Dominic Solis, Louie ng Chanel, and JP. Stay pretty boy, my friend. Enjoy your life. Guys, don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Shout out to all Sapir boys. Boss Reggie, Menjil, Sherwin, Kuya Dos, all one. Guys, to be continued. See you on next video. Subscribe, Yorme 23. Stay safe, stay healthy. Maasalam.